In this video, you will learn how to use quick counts in WinCross Executive. First, log into your account. Click on either quick counts from your home page or quick counts from the top. Choose your existing data set. Select a column variable and a row variable. We'll use education for our banner and income for our table rows. And click Create Tables. And here you have a quick snapshot of what your data looks like. Quick counts is used mainly for that, just quick snapshots. It's not intended for creating nice looking reports to share with your clients. This is just to get to know your data. And these lists here are the variables attached to your data set. They are not the components. You can also create a summary of frequencies report or a summary of means report, or create significance groups. Here we'll test by the variable. All of these are shaded in for us. And click Create Tables. And here you can see we do have some significance. And that's it for quick counts. We'll catch you next time.